helps you to track all the necessary records of your church. It helps you to keep the members, your tithes, offerings, and all other necessary records of the church intact. And without wasting my time, this is Joseph, the CEO of Avata Source Technologies. I really want to use this opportunity and walk you through the system. And if you have any question, just leave it at the comments below. And also try checking on the video description, and you see my contact details. Should in case you will need the system to manage your church. Maybe if you're also a member of a church watching this tutorial or this demo, and probably you think that you are not a pastor, you are not an executive of the church, please, you can recommend your church members or your church officers to get this system. It is really helpful. So without wasting my time, let's get started. I just need to go to where my software is, and there I quickly need to open it. This is where it is. Church Accelerator, that is how I name it. So it supports a computer with Office Suite, Microsoft, either 2007, 2010, or that of 2016. So watch as the system loads. So this is the interface of it. When you lock the system, you will get the interface loading up this way. So you can see that it is loading. Church of Pentecost, Tumu Central District. My credentials are on the loading page. So when you reach 100, the system will open up for you to have a view of it. So, all right, here we have 3 access levels. We have the pastor, we have the accountant, then we have the church secretary. Do remember that this might not suit your situation depending on the church in which you are running, but we can develop it to suit your situation. So please, if otherwise you think that after going through this demo, you are seeing some features that are not in line with your church, do not hesitate to contact me. I can restructure the system to suit your church. So without wasting my time, I'll log in as a pastor. So here you need the username, you need a user password. Then you click login. You are logging as a pastor of the church. So here you will have the interface, and pastor has all the credentials, all the features, functionalities of the software. Here we have the developer protection code. You can see the details over there. Here we have the developer credentials. Here we have the picture, the other significant information of the developer. So now we also have the church membership over here. If you click on membership, this is where you enter the members information. If you enter the membership information here, now it will give you a membership count. When you add 1 member, the numbers, you see membership count 1, you add another 1, it will give you 2. So let's try that to see how it works. I'll just try to do something. So here, that's 1 member. I'll just click add, save. Record is saved. You can see the number has been increased to 1. I click new, add another member. This I'm only adding their name because other related information. If you want, you can add that. So here I enter Joseph. Proceed. Save. Then you see number of members now is 2. We want to add another person, John. Okay. Here, I click save. John information is added. Total number 3. Now, if you want to, you can also upload the member picture here by double clicking. Go to add. Okay. If I go to my computer storage, I will need to upload a picture of which is related to the member information I'm adding. So here, I just go through and let's see if I get a member. Okay, so here any image can just add it up as a demonstration sake. Click OK. All right, so you can see the member picture has been uploaded. So that is how it is. Here I click save. It is saved. Add new. Yes. It gives the space for you to add another one. So we have 4 members currently. Now, if you go to membership log, you see their information over there. You see that. Scroll down. See that? See that? I only added, you see Joseph, John, and other stuff. So this is how the information will appear. All right, so I just close that. Go back. If I want to delete, I just go to previous. I want to delete trans. Okay, then they'll give me a message, one message that I want to delete one record. Okay, so clear that. Go back. Clear this. All right. Tranche. Tranche. Yes. Delete this. It's gone. All right. So now we have 0 membership over there. Now the pastor can also prepare a sermon, daily devotion here. You enter the date. The day is maybe Wednesday. Then you enter the topic. Maybe the topic is humility. Okay. Then scripture, maybe Psalm 24. Psalm 24, verse 1. Then you prepare your message over here. Okay. Now you save. Message is saved. Add new message. That is it. You can go to the next message. There's no next, but you can go to previous message prepared. It is here. So you want to send this message to the members, click on send message. How do you want to send a message? In PDF form, plain text, or any format? You just need to select that. Click OK. Then allow the system. Click OK. Then here, it's requiring that you should have an internet connectivity before you can be able to send this message to your members. So enter month. The month is February. Okay. Click OK. Wow. See that? Now outputting message. All right. So this is how the morning devotional section works. I can delete this. Yeah, click on delete message. Gone. Go back. Now we are done with the members as well. You can go back, you can go front and all that in this aspect. Now you also have new souls won into the church. You can just click on new souls entry form. Then this is how it looks. You're adding new souls. Here you can just click on new soul, then add the new soul's name. Here. Okay. All right. Here gender is male. Go ahead, phone number. However you say you want to put the number. That is for demonstration, so you can put the email, hometown, date. Okay, then pastor's name. All right, then you save. Record is saved, add new. Now you can view this record by clicking view. Here it is. You can see the name is over there. However you want, the names are here, the details are here. How many souls did you want? Total souls 1, 2. Then you go back there. You want to view the record per year. Click there, enter year 2022. Okay. Okay. All right, so that is how it works. You can clear this off. If you want to delete it, just click on this button. So that is how it works. Now let's go back. Here you can also add church officer details if you want to add them separately. This is their form. Here is also tithes. Now someone is paying a tithe, and you see so far this is the amount you have gotten from tithes. So you can add new. Then enter the person's name, Manu or Manu James. Yao. That is the person's name. No last name. So how much the person paying the tithe? 90 series. Year 2022. Month. Okay, so the month here, September. Or let's say February. Then go to add, save. It's save, add new. So right now you can go to view the report of the types. Okay, so it's just loading. This one you want to print the report. So this is how the receipt is going to look. You see that you can print this report out, zoom it. Okay, now you can also view the report. Just click here, view report, and this is how the report is going to be like. Okay, this is the total amount, type amount the person paid. I didn't put last name, is not there, so this is how it will look. All right, so now you can also view by year or by month. So you enter the year 2022, then month February. Okay, here click OK or enter. Then you see February. These are the number of tithes that have been paid in February. You can see that. So the system will shut out only February payments and display it here. All right. So let's go back. Here is also create an event. It could be birthday, it could be anything. So come here, just create your event. Event type, missing week, marriage seminar, or anything. Starting when, you need to put that. So you can just say 2023. Ending when, 2024. Then you can see the number of days that are left. Days remaining 351 days. Wow. So you need to now put comments created by who. Then here you just need to save changes. Event saved. You can fetch data here. Successful. Now go back, and that is how the events are created. You can also add your check info here. Click here, enter the check details. And when you are done, just save, and that is all. Now, when you come to backslash, you enter the backslash details here, and you save their records. Assuming you entered, the person is no more attending church, you can enter the person records, schedule a full up. You can see that schedule full up, and you trace to check on the person. So that is how that aspect works. Here is payroll for your employees. Enter the necessary information here, and that is how it functions. Okay, so we have procurement. Get procurement activities. You can enter what you are buying, products, materials, or whatever. Then the cost, the year, items. Then you click on save or refresh, and you save the record. So refresh. That is all. Proceed. Come here. Payroll management. You can manage your payroll here. This is how it is. Manage your employee. You have from employee whether cleaners or securities. You can manage their payments here. We also have the expenses. You can create an expenses here. Maybe the amount that is involved. Let's say add new expenses. Just put the amount there. Then salary payment created by who? Pastor. Then save. Wow, you can see that the total grand total have been increased here. So this is the amount of expenses made. So close that. Now you can also go to employees dashboard. You can add their details here. Yes, so this is how it works. You can see that you can add the person's CV, educational background, personal details of the employee. Click OK. Come to add new worker here. You see that new worker is over here. So that is how the system works. Now here you can also receive donations. Maybe someone is donating, so you need to enter the person details. Then the amount will be displayed over here. At the end of the year or the month, you'll be able to see how much you have been able to receive. Okay, so that is how it works. So this system, you can log in as the accountant, you can log in as the secretary, and you can even log in as a pastor. So these are all the access points. You can see that. So if you're interested in this system, just bear me. That is the end of the tutorial. If you're interested in the software, just try and call me and we'll have a deal. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. And I will leave all the credentials below. If you need to call me, you can just call and we have a deal on that. Thank you very much. All the best. Wish you all the best.